So once you've connected your watch to Alexa, you just long press on that button right here at the bottom, and that brings it up.
I don't know that.
It says she's listening, and then you can give a command. So let's try it now. Set the island lights to 5%. Tells you it's thinking, and you can see the island lights went down to 5%. Now, one thing I've noticed, sometimes Alexa on this on the Wyze band will say it didn't get that, but the command still gets processed correctly from the app. So it seems to work very consistently. So let's keep going. Turn on the walkthrough lights. And see, that worked. Turn off the walkthrough lights. Turn on Apple TV. And you can see my TV is turning on in the background back there through the harmony. Apple TV itself, there you go, it is on. So you'll see that it turns on. So it works really, really well. Just to give you a closer up view of the watch itself during that process. Let's see if I can get it to focus on just the watch itself. So you long press. It says it's listening, and then you give the command. You see the bar at the bottom, and it also works to ask it questions. So, what's the weather today? There to show you, so you can get information like that. What's on my schedule? And see, it's able to connect to my calendar through Alexa. That I have my Google Calendar set up. So it's just basically like having Alexa with you on your wrist. All this is handled through your phone, so you have to have the Alexa app on your phone and running in the background, which I always do. And the Wyze app has to be allowed to run in the background as well. I've seen people complain about that, but it doesn't seem to eat up a lot of batteries. It's not like it's running wild in the background doing a lot of stuff. It's just kind of there because it needs to be able to listen when these commands are sent. Anyway, as you can see, works really well and basically gives you full Echo Alexa control right on your wrist. So a cool thing is that you can set reminders with Alexa as well, or alarms that'll just be on this device. It won't be a reminder that'll be on all your Alexa devices or your phone. It'll just be on this device, and this will vibrate you and give you a reminder. So I'll show you how that works. Remind me at 3 p.m. that I need to go to school. So you can see it says, okay, I'll remind you at 3 p.m. and that'll be just on this device. Set a timer for 5 minutes. So you can see, set a timer for 5 minutes. That's all just on this device. And you can get, there is an Alexa alerts. So if you go in here, if I go to reminders, you'll see the reminders that I've set for this phone, and I mean for this Wyze band, and the Wyze band will buzz to alert me of those reminders. Timers, you can see there's an ongoing timer. You can also set alarms. So these three things, when you give these commands to Alexa on the band, it's just for the band, and the band will vibrate to alarm or for the timer or to remind you, but it won't go to all your other Alexa devices. So that's kind of cool if you have a reminder that you need to remind yourself to do something, but you don't want your spouse or your kids to know about it. Maybe it's like a surprise party or something. Sometimes Alexa gives that kind of stuff away because all the Alexa devices remind you of something, but with this, you can set it just on this and it'll just remind you on this and not on all your devices. So that's another cool aspect of having Alexa Smart Assistant on a fitness band like this.